The USS Alabama Battleship Memorial Park is one of the most visited attractions in the state of Alabama, and a local point of pride for the city of Mobile. Steeped in naval and aviation history, generations of family members visit the park annually to explore the battleship, tour the grounds, and enjoy the scenery. Therefore, preserving and maintaining this must-see piece of history is a high priority for the memorial staff. Enter Thompson Engineering and their professional surveying team, who will provide topographic data to help the caretakers of this monument to American history better understand what measures need to be taken to ensure the 15 million visitors who have visited aren't the only ones who will get to witness this portal to another time. To safely make that happen, Thompson Engineering will utilize drone surveying equipment to map the park and provide an ortho photo of the site, and a digital twin of the battleship to assist with future improvements. But challenges remain. Will Thompson be able to collect the data necessary to optimally preserve the home of the USS Alabama? Find out only on Down to Earth.
Today we're in Mobile, Alabama at the USS Alabama Battleship Memorial Park. We've got two microdrone systems on site today. We've got the MD LiDAR 1000 HR, and then we also have the MD Mapper 1000 DG. We're hoping to come away with two great data sets, one with LiDAR, one photogrammetry, and looking forward to seeing what we end up with.
What's going on, fellas?
Hey, what's up, Ross?
Good to see y'all.
Hey, Ross, how you doing, man?
Doing good, man. Good to see you, Adam.
Yeah, man. Good to see you.
Anybody ready for a little drone flight today?
Yeah, let's do it, man.
We've got the new MD LiDAR 1000 HR in the truck. It's gonna scan every nook and cranny of that ship, and also all the surrounding area as well. We're gonna get all that topoed as well. I think you're gonna be really pleased with what you see here today. All right, let's do it. Today we are here at the battleship, the USS Alabama, in support of our customer, Thompson Engineering. Thompson Engineering has been now flying their microdrone systems for over a year now. And since the new release of the microdrones MD LiDAR 1000 HR, we not only wanted to be in support of them on this really unique project, but also we wanted to showcase what this new high-resolution LiDAR is capable of doing.
Using the microdrone system here at Thompson has really helped us out a lot on several different projects. Just say, for instance, right here at the park here at the USS Alabama, you know, where it would take us weeks or maybe even months to capture the data, you know, this could be done with the microdrone system in just a few days.
Put it right about here, ought to be good. We'll grab the rest of the stuff. When you're faced with a project like this, and really any project, the first thing for a good UAS, a safe UAS operation, is about analyzing and reconnaissance of your job site. That being, what are the tallest and highest obstructions? And obviously our main focal point and area of interest is the battleship. So getting a height of the tallest point of the battleship is very important, so we can verify that the height of our entire mission will be above our highest obstruction, and we can safely scan the battleship in completely. We are ready for takeoff. 60 meters altitude. Mission is engaged.
So the benefits to use LiDAR for a site this size, obviously, is the efficiencies that the drone can collect the data. And if we have, you know, a couple of 2-man, 3-man crews out on site, you know, you're looking at multiple days. So not only the efficiency, but just the quality of the data.
Yep, so the drone made its first pass, so now we're going this way. Hopefully one more flight, guys. Got the data's got to download, then we'll swap the battery out, we'll get it back up in the air. I'm gonna tap on Flight Editor. Flight Editor is the mode we're in when we're planning our mission. I'm going to tap on New Mission. This also showcases the ease of use of the MD LiDAR 1000, because even while we're out here on the job site, I can go and create new mission plans in a matter of seconds. Tap on Survey Block. I'm going to create a block mission that is over the field. So then it draws a default mission block. I'm going to extend the block out this way to capture that pier. That was part of my intention here, was to capture that pier as well. All right, Looking at a 26-minute flight. This should be done in one battery. So this next flight with the microdrone's LiDAR system is for the topographic survey portion of this project. The field that you see behind us is the area of interest in this flight right here. So we're not focused on anything else but the field. All right, starting the first scan now. The flight is being conducted at 60 meters altitude with a 70% overlap of our line spacing at a speed of 3.5 meters per second.
Being out here on this site today is very exciting and also very special. We have visited the USS Alabama as children and driven back and forth on I-10 to the coast many times during our life. I've also shared this with my own children. It's really exciting to be bringing cutting-edge technology here to preserve such a historical element that's been a part of our life and our upbringing.
Slow to a stop, and now for the descent. Nope, hang on. Winds are picking up. All right, guys, so we've completed the first half of our mission here. Just a little post-flight debrief of how the mission went. We had excellent weather throughout the duration of the flight, calm and stable winds, 3 to 6 miles per hour. The drone handled it all very well. Scanner operated optimally the entire time. Right now, the drone is downloading and transferring the data to that thumb drive that's on the payload there. Once that's complete, we'll move to disassemble the aircraft, and then we'll begin to do our QA/QC process, check all the satellite locks of the flight, which will then lead us to believe that, yep, we can go ahead and process this data, it's all good to go, and then we'll return to complete the remainder of the flights over the battleship.